Okay, so now we have two spoofing programs running in parallel which are spoofing each of the devices, that is the victim machine and the router. So the next thing we need to do is we need to check how can we capture packets. To do this we will use Wireshark. In first part of this series we will use Wireshark, then we will write code to capture these packets manually. But for now we will use Wireshark to see how these packets are flowing through. So as you can see at the moment, this Wireshark is capturing each and everything that is going over the network. But what I want to do is I want to capture packets that are just flowing from my victim machine, that is my Windows machine. So to do this, what I have to do is I will try to say ip.source equals to 192.168.0.30. So what this filter will do is that it will only capture those packets that are originating from my Windows machine. So now it will not filter packages that are it will filter out packages that are going through my Kali machine or originating from my Kali machine. So now we have this, and then we need to do is we need to perform some operation on our Windows machine so that we can capture these packets here. So I'm going over to my Windows machine and then I'm going to open the browser. Okay, so let's access google.com. So now I have performed some operation on my Windows machine. If I go over to my Kali machine, you will see that I do not have any captured packets. This is because now the packets are not originating from my Windows machine, but since I am on my Kali machine, these packages will be originating from my Kali machine. So what I have to do is I need to tcp dot let's do it like this. Go to Windows machine, clear this out. Now I will try to ping google.com from here. So I will write ping www.google.com. so it will send 4 packets to the google.com, and this google.com server will reply. So I'm just going to copy this address of this Google server, and then I'm going over to my Kali machine, and now I'm going to write ip.source equals to this IP address, or ip.destination equals to this IP address. So whatever packages are originating from this server or going to this server will be captured here. So as you can see that now I have captured different pings. So this ping originated from my Windows machine, which is here, sorry, not here, here. So this originated from my Windows machine and it went to Google server. Similarly, these are the same requests that went from my Kali machine to the Google server, and then the Google server replied with these packages to my Windows machine. So as you can see that I sent out 4 packages and I received 4 packages. You can simply say that, let's remove this. So now I'm only accessing the request from the Google machine. So now you can see we can capture packages, and if I click over these packages, you can see that I can check out the content of these packages. For example, let's say I go to Ethernet, then I can check that which is the Ethernet layer protocol here, and then you can see the source and destination. So this package was originated from the Windows machine. It went out to the Google server, and then it contains various other fields. For example, time to live. It was a request, I think. This package was not delivered, but it was still sent from this Windows machine. So this is how you can capture packages. In next lecture we will try to build a program that will be similar to Wireshark, and then we will try to capture packets to our own program, and we won't rely on this Wireshark.